So this is, I think, from a Hatteras, maybe. I forget. Deck here. I got it all. It's so dark. It's so dark. There we go. That's a little better. I've got all this coring taken out. I went and I bought coring. I bought coring yesterday, and in this hatch there's 3 different size corings. This is all on the outer edge. I think it's 3/8, I believe. So I got those all cut. It's 3.5 inches all the way around the outer edge of that hatch. And actually have an extra piece. I'm gonna bring that back. And then I've got these other 2 pieces that I did not cut yet. I'm gonna do some grinding out there. But this is for the center, this 1/2 inch, and we've got this green stuff, the foam, which is less than a 1/2 inch, 3/8, I believe is what it is. So this goes in the center, and this is on the in the center. Well, this goes in the very center, and this is sandwiched between that and the other stuff, which is a little weird, but I'm going to follow that. I want things to fit back the way that they were in this boat. So anyways, that's what happens next. Got these all cut. I'm going to mix up some Cabicil and some glass microspheres with some resin, and make a filler to bond that stuff to it. I'm going to do that today. Keep that job moving forward. I'm hoping to get it done for this weekend. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. I got to get some help to flip that damn thing over. That's what it is. And it's been outside, which kind of sucks. It came a little late. So I've got other things in my garage to fill the space, and this has been stuck outside. This boat is leaving this weekend, though. This will be done this weekend. I'm hoping to swap them out, and I do have another project coming after that, but legit all I need is like a day or 2 on this inside to finish it up. So I'm thinking I'll probably just do that, bring it in, just leave the boat outside for now. Maybe even do some grinding, that kind of shit. Just get some stuff done outside. Why not on that? And then swap them out once that hatch is all set. So yeah, I got all these ones inside too. So anyways, if you made it this far, you made it pretty far. Go ahead and subscribe, and you will get notifications for the hatch and all these other jobs I got going on. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.